guys, welcome back to the V's Cousins. Before we start this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Today I'm doing a collab with Bunny from Bunny's Facts and Fun.
Hey guys, and remember last video from my YouTube channel. So she was there, right, in my other video.
I will link that down below. Today we are doing the blindfolded drawing challenge. How
And
this works is we'll cover our eyes with our masks which are pre-cleaned, and we have 1 minute, and we have Sweetu here. She is Bunny's sister.
Hi.
You can't see her, but she's there. So she will tell us what to draw, and blindfolded in 1 minute we have to draw that.
Okay, that's difficult actually, but we are using our mask, but don't let it be dirty. It should be squeaky and clean. That's why it is clean. Look, it's clean. That's why we are using it.
Okay. So the first thing to draw is
Okay, so first you can blindfold yourselves.
Okay.
nine. I can't see a thing.
Even I can
I'll
see it.
remove my specs.
Oh, sorry. Sorry,
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not ready.
Okay, now are you guys ready? This is
Yeah.
your pencil.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. All right. So the first thing you need to draw is a cat.
Oh, no.
Okay. And you get 1 minute to draw blindfolded. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
I can see.
That's the point.
So I can draw this much legs. I can. Oh my god. Time.
I think I'm done.
You're done?
Time.
Yeah, I only know how to draw the face of a cat.
Mm-hmm.
Time.
I'm drawing one more.
Time. I'm done.
Okay, guys, let's stop it then.
Okay.
Let's open it.
We can't change anything now.
Yep. Can you show your drawings? Thanks. That's okay. That kind of looks like a cat.
Oh my god! This looks so horrible.
Let's see. Okay, so Bunny has drawn the body of the cat somewhere and the eye somewhere else. I would give the point to Chiu.
Yay!
Wait, show me.
Whether you get this point.
Why did you make the face only?
What? You could also
So
do.
like if someone comes and if they had to identify which one is a cat, I guess they could identify whether he's. So I'm gonna give whether he this point.
That looks horrible, but I got the point.
Yep. Okay, so
The eyes, whiskers, and the ears is out of the face.
Yep. And the body is as big
And look
as
at
the
this
face.
leg, just out.
The body is as big as the face.
No, the face is bigger.
okay, I think let's keep a time of 30 seconds. 1 minute is too long.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So that for the first round it was easier. Now we are going to do it harder. 30 seconds to draw.
Okay.
I'm just making a proper cat.
We can make it that afterwards. Okay, so the
Make
next
that
drawing
later.
is you need to make
Blindfold.
a earth.
Artist
You need to make the earth.
in 30 seconds?
Yes. Can you blindfold yourself?
Wait.
Bunny, don't cheat. Make sure she is not cheating.
Yep.
I just first have to wear my mask like this, not tie it, and then tie on my
You
eye.
really can't see anything.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Are you ready? This is
Oh,
your pencil.
I
I
got
don't
some-
even know if I'm
Oh,
waving at
okay.
the camera or not.
Yeah, even I don't know that I'm in the
Okay. You need to draw a earth, and the time starts now.
Done.
Bunny, you have drawn the earth on the cat.
Wait, what? Oh!
Okay, time
God.
moves.
Yeah. No. There's still time.
But we won't.
Can I do redo?
Okay, the time is up.
No.
The time is up. The time is
But
up.
I wanted to do redo. Look, I
That's
did it
not-
on the cat.
That's not our fault. That's your fault.
Can you show your
Everything is.
It's okay. It looks like that there's a cat on the earth.
wow? Can I see your drawing? All right, that does not look like Earth.
I know.
Can I see
Sure.
yours?
Wait.
Bunny, can I see yours?
But mine has a cat on it.
Show the camera too.
Okay. I
Show
think
the
I'm not
camera.
going to give this point to anyone. Is it
True.
fine? If
No,
I
you
can't-
have to still decide who is
No,
whose
it's
is
fine.
still better. No.
No one is better because I can't identify if it's an Earth.
Fine. None of us get points.
It looks like a ball or something.
Yeah. Okay, so the next thing which you need to draw is a book.
Okay,
Okay.
book is easy.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
No,
It is easy. Okay. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Wait, Bunny, wait.
Oh, I didn't even know I was doing.
Okay.
I thought I
Blindfold.
did
Yeah.
Is this on something else? This part? I can't see.
No, but you can go a little more far.
Here.
No, to the right. Right.
My leg.
No, like, yeah. A little more right. Yeah, that's it. And that's too down. A little bit up. Yeah. Okay, Rihansh. Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You need to blindfold. 3, 2, 1, go.
Done. Can I open my eyes?
No,
I'm done.
but still.
Done. Wait for you. I mean, where did he?
I think I'm done.
No, don't open your eyes. You can do some improvement, both of you.
Okay.
2, 1. Okay, the time is up.
Okay.
I think I'll give this point to Vedahi. You can show your drawings.
Sure? Sure?
This one looks better than this one.
That
Show me.
looks more like a book than what Bunny has drawn. Can you show your drawing?
Show me. That looks like a dictionary.
Yeah, so dictionary is a book, right?
Look.
You can show it to them. This is what Bunny has drawn, which does not look like a book at all.
At all, it just has.
Mine 0.1% looks as 0.
No, you have two.
I know. I had extra time. I could draw. Even you could draw. if you
Okay, so 2, 0. Okay, can we go to the next drawing?
Oh no, I have to.
want. Yes, we have 2
She's so
drawings left.
good.
We have 2 drawings left. I am not really that good. Even though I want to be an artist.
I want to be an artist.
Really?
Yeah. Right, Chitu?
Yeah.
Okay, next object.
Can you blindfold yourself?
Oh. Okay.
You look like I don't know what.
Okay, where can I draw? Here.
Here.
Okay, so can we start? The next thing you need
No,
to
wait, I
draw.
have to see a bit further. Okay.
The next thing you need to draw is a house. All right.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, so scared. Done.
Wait, don't open your eyes. Some improvement, please.
That's
No, there are 5 more seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Can I see your drawings?
Surprisingly, for some reason, I like that.
Uh-huh. Okay, that kind of looks like a house. I mean, we can say that it's a house. Can you show yours?
I thought I drew. Oh.
No, you did not draw you drew the roof now, right?
no.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw.
Okay, so the roof is somewhere else, the door is somewhere else, and the windows are somewhere else.
And he drew the roof now.
Yeah. So this again, it goes to where the
What? Show you?
Okay.
I tried to draw 3 houses, but 2 of them are combined.
Mhm.
Wait, I have to tell you something, but my normal houses are like This.
Okay.
Sure. Okay, we are going to the next drawing. So the score is 3-0. You can catch up. You can't catch up, but try at least coming near
This is
her.
the last round.
Yeah. At least one, come to one. Okay, so the next drawing is you need to draw a table.
What?
But that's so easy.
I can't even draw a table with my eyes. Wait, why do I
Can you
draw?
blindfold yourself?
Here. I'll draw here.
So guys, are you
Is this
ready?
the tip of my pencil?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
3, a table, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
I think you need to go a little bit slow.
Me?
Bunny.
Okay, I'm done.
Little bit slow. Try again. Some improvements, please.
It feels so weird with shut eyes. Like my eyes are open inside the mask. Okay, time up.
Time is up. Can I see your drawings?
Well, let me show you what I made first table.
This is my table and this.
Okay, they look like pants.
Okay, this is one table is this and
Show
one
the camera. This is the table, right?
yeah. That looks like a robot cat.
Okay. I actually wouldn't give anyone the point.
What?
But I think I'll give it to Rihansh, Bunny this time. Because where his table looks like pant. And Bunny's table does not look like a table, but it's a little bit more near the table side. Okay.
Mine is down the pant side.
Anyways, but
I won.
whether he wins again.
I won on my own channel.
Yep.
And
Oh,
she
if you
won.
want to watch who won in the other video, in the other 7-second challenge,
I will link it down below. And again, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.
And actually, we recorded this in our house.
Okay.
My
fine.
house.
I'm in another state. Not state. City. Yeah. Okay, so bye guys.
Bye.